Ukrainian company Ukrspecsystems has introduced a modernized version of its reconnaissance drone, the Shark M. This UAV is designed for deep reconnaissance missions and communication support for strike aircraft. The new model features enhanced capabilities, including extended communication range, increased resistance to electronic warfare, and adaptation to challenging operating conditions. Shark M retains the same 3.4-meter wingspan as its predecessor. However, its operational range has been extended to 180 kilometers, twice that of previous versions. A new battery with a 170% increased capacity allows the drone to stay airborne for up to 7 hours, ensuring mission execution at any time of day or night, regardless of weather conditions. The UAV can reach an altitude of up to 3,000 meters and achieve speeds of 130 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for modern operational requirements. One of the key advantages of Shark M is its high-precision optical system with 360-degree full-circle coverage. Its sensors can detect objects at distances of up to 35 kilometers during the day and 14 kilometers at night. A universal connector enables the installation of various Euro-stabilized electro-optical modules, increasing its operational flexibility. The new communication system, with 250% more power than its predecessor, ensures stable data transmission even in the presence of active jamming and signal blocking attempts. The drone is designed for integration into tactical reconnaissance and strike groups. In addition to surveillance functions, Shark M acts as a relay, improving coordination between strike drones and enhancing attack accuracy. Its compact size and catapult launch system allow for deployment without extensive infrastructure, while a parachute landing system reduces the risk of damage upon retrieval. The implementation of advanced technologies has simplified drone operation. It supports automated data processing and instant mission report generation. Thanks to full compatibility with existing control systems and software, transitioning from Shark D to Shark M does not require additional personnel training. The package also includes upgraded equipment, allowing antennas to be positioned at a safe distance from operators. A standout feature of Shark M is its carousel patrol mode, enabling continuous monitoring of strategically important areas by alternating multiple drones. A modern command post, installed on an off-road vehicle, provides centralized control over all Ukrspecsystems drones from a single platform. To enhance safety, a remote control terminal allows for UAV takeoff and landing in high-risk environments. Shark M has already demonstrated its effectiveness during field tests in 2024. Despite a 20% increase in production costs, its operation remains cost-effective due to the use of existing infrastructure and system durability. Ukrspecsystems focuses on the practical applicability of its developments, ensuring a stable supply of UAVs to meet operational demands.